YouTube, what is going on? Today we're going to be watching this video that I found. Becoming rich is easy, actually. So I'm definitely curious. Shout out Colin in the chat, give him the 500k, and we're gonna figure out why becoming rich is easy, actually.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you click on this video, chances are you want to become rich. Now, for most of our life, we're being told that we need to go to school, get a degree, get a job, and maybe wait another 10 years to become rich. But it's actually much easier than that. For most people, you want to be rich for 3 reasons: to get freedom from a job you hate, to gain status and respect, and to buy whatever you want without needing to ask. Well, you've come to the right spot. If you're new here, my name is Colin, and I'm a student at Yale University studying computer science. And in this video, I'll show you the 3 simple habits that'll make you so rich that you question the meaning of making money. So the first habit is reading books. Now, you can read another stupid cat book if you want to lower your IQ. But if you want to get rich, I would strongly recommend reading books about business and psychology. Reading books is the fastest way to become rich because you're literally getting years of money wisdom in just a couple pages. And you become rich in your mind long before you become rich in your bank account. That's why reading books are so important. So if you're just getting started, I would highly recommend reading a book a month, just 10 minutes a day before bed. So what book should I read? The first book you want to read is The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. This book will teach you about lifestyle design, on how to work less and make more money. The second book you want to read is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book will teach you the common mistakes we make when thinking about money. Now, the third book you want to read is The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book is like a full guide on how to become wealthy and how to use leverage online to get rich. The fourth book you want to read is $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi, possibly one of the best books on sales and marketing. If you want to learn to make an offer so good that people feel stupid saying no to, this book is for you. Now, the last book you want to read is $1 Million Weekend by Noah Kagan. This is a relatively new book that talks about how to build an online business step by step. All these 5 books are books that I've personally read and I think are definitely must-reads if you want to become rich. And if you read a book a month, which is very doable and easy, you can easily gain all this money wisdom in less than 6 months. And by reading more books on money, you'll be smarter than most business people who take 10 years to learn that same wisdom. Now, the second habit that'll make you rich is watching podcasts and videos. But I'm not talking about watching pointless try not to laugh videos that lower your IQ. I'm talking about watching videos that'll help you make more money. So some specific videos I'd recommend watching are How to Get Rich Without Getting Lucky by Naval, Reprogram Your Mind to Be Rich in 22 Minutes by Alex Hormozi, How Billionaires Think by Sam Ovens, The One-Person Business Model by Dan Koh, and This Isn't Fun But It Makes Me 2K an Hour by Alex Becker. Now, you don't want to just be watching these videos passively. You want to be actively writing notes on a Google Doc or on your notebook. Go and watch those 5 videos as a starting point, and I guarantee that it'll change the way you think about money. And after you're done with them, you can go and watch other videos like interviews with CEOs and millionaires. Like, even when I'm in the gym, most of the time I listen to house or EDM music. But sometimes I like listening to a podcast where I'm just writing notes in between sets. So you want to be writing your ideas down, because if not, you'll probably forget them in the next hour. Now, some other YouTubers that'll help you become rich. Of course, if you want to learn about sales and marketing, go watch some Alex Hormozi content. If you want to learn more about cold calling and agency building, maybe watch Charlie Morgan. And if you want to become a billionaire Sigma Chad, then there's this Asian guy I'd recommend subscribing. But the point is, watch more content that'll help you improve your life. Because if all you watch is videos on how to make money, it's almost inevitable you'll become super rich. Now, the final thing you want to do to become rich is to learn skills. You want to learn skills that are evergreen and future-proof. More importantly, learn skills that match your personality. Are you creative? Then learn writing, video editing, and design. Are you charismatic? Then learn marketing, sales, or content creation. Do you like building things? Then learn programming, software, and building online stores. So when you combine your individual edge and your matching skill, you become powerful. Also, if you want to become rich, you want to learn skills that are high in demand. So for example, people are always going to need designers. So maybe if you're very creative, you can create a thumbnail agency design service for YouTubers. Or maybe you want to master the skill of creating aesthetic websites. Having specialized knowledge can also make you lots of money. For example, if you know a lot about fitness and aesthetics, then people will literally pay you for the information you have. Or maybe all you have is good taste. You have 0 technical skills. Guess what? You can still make money. Rick Rubin is one of the richest producers of all time, and he doesn't really know how to make music, but he has taste. So there are literally unlimited opportunities and ways that you can make money. Now, what about investing? What about stocks or crypto? Honestly, I wouldn't even think about investing in stocks or crypto unless I already have a solid skill that makes me lots of money. If all you have is $200 in a bank account and you expect that you're going to be a millionaire investing it in crypto, forget it. Yes, it's nice to start the habit of investing, but don't expect to become a millionaire when you don't even have much capital to begin with. So focus on learning those high income skills first. So I hope you guys got lots of value from this video. If you guys want more exclusive wisdom,
I agree with that. I agree with that last part. You know, get your capital up before you're ready to grow it now. But it is a good skill. I would say it's a good skill. Start investing your money early and young. Invest your money in safe crap. Don't gamble it all away. Don't play options. Don't even, honestly, I wouldn't recommend getting a Robinhood account unless you just want to lose your money. Because I think Robinhood makes it so like picture friendly, nice, happy, that it makes you want to gamble your money away. And then also on like Robinhood, you see the options tab before you even see the stocks tab. What does that tell you? That tells you that they want you to play options. So, guys, go ahead, like and subscribe. Like and sign out. Peace.